Hey, this is Brandon with BrandonHemming.com. Today we're going to talk all things My Lead System Pro, getting started tutorial step number 7, using the campaigns to generate leads and sales for your business. Hey, it's Brandon Hemming with BrandonHemming.com, where we help home-based business owners build, automate, and scale their businesses so that you can live the lifestyle you dreamed of. And we do this by leveraging the power of funnels and proven marketing strategies. So we're going to dive right into it today. We're going to get started. We're just going to jump right into step number 7. And here we go.
Welcome back, and in this video, we're going to talk about customizing the lead generation campaign so you can start getting your voice, your message, and your personality out into the marketplace today. Let's dive in. Okay, so open up a new browser so you can follow along and execute and implement alongside of me as we go through this video, and scroll to my websites, MLSP lead gen campaigns, and come over here. And what we're going to do, let's choose a different example this time just so you can get a feel for how we do this and how you can take any of these 20 plus lead gen campaigns to get out there, add value to the marketplace, and get leads for your business today. So let's just choose one. I'm going to scroll down to prospecting. We've got 2 prospecting funnels that you can give away and talk about and share. This first one is actually Ray Higdon's training, which awesome dude, one of the biggest names in network marketing. Started right here, by the way, just an amazing dude, an amazing freaking marketer. And you can give away one of his trainings, one of his prospecting trainings right here inside of MLSP and leverage Ray and that training to get out there and get leads for your business. I'm going to choose this one. This is a training. I'm going to go ahead and click. Remember, this paperclip gives you the link with your username, which tracks back to you and builds your list. And you get paid when people join My Lead System Pro and check out the system. And this magnifying glass will actually bring up the funnel and you can check it out. So with this one, you can give away a free download. You can see here, this is a 40-minute webinar. It's a training from a 7-figure networker, a guy who's been in the profession for over 20 years. So it's a free download and gift for all serious network marketers. 20-year network marketing vet and 7-figure MLM earner reveals how to recruit quality leaders into your MLM business, even if you're just getting started. So the point of this action step is to start putting you into the mix, your voice, your flavor, your message. This whole thing is about building and branding you. So we're going to start to do that in this video, leveraging the already done for you lead generation campaigns. So let's go over to Facebook and we're going to create a post. Now, again, I'm going to choose to talk about the prospecting training, the prospecting campaign that we're going to give away. You can take a look at the other lead generation campaigns and choose one that resonates with you. If it's Facebook marketing, if it's YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, we've got training on all those. If you have any experience or have gotten a result with those types of strategies, you could give away those trainings. But I'm just going to stick with this prospecting one. And for example, the framework, here's what you're going to follow in this step, in this tutorial here. And it's a very simple story framework. It's before blank, let's just keep it super simple. Before, I used to be afraid of the phone. I never wanted to pick up the phone. I had no confidence. I didn't know what to say. It was awkward, weird. I wasn't making any sales. I didn't convert anybody. Nobody was buying my products and services. I was awful on the phone and I was terrified of the phone. If that's your story. If it's not, don't say that. Okay, but this is prospecting, and I'm going to, again, this is about you, and we want to be putting you a little bit into the mix here in the promotion of this lead gen campaign. So before I learned some strategies, before I got the confidence, before I learned some scripts, before I used to be afraid of the telephone, as an example, then I found X. Now, X could be anything, a training, a tutorial, a way of, building rapport, building relationships, having posture, all these things that come along with prospecting, closing, and recruiting. Then you found blank. Then you finally found the secrets to closing on the phone. Now, life is blank. Now, it doesn't mean you have to say you've recruited or sponsored or made X amount of money or gotten this many amount of sales or anything like that. It's just, look, now I get it. Now I'm finally prepared. I'm equipped. I'm ready. I'm confident. I'm ready to get on the phone. I'm actually excited to get on the phone with my prospects for the first time ever. I'm so excited about sharing my message and my voice with the world. Whatever that is. Before X, then I found X. Now life is X. If you can just kind of fill in the blanks, then we can do this. We can do this step very easily. And I'll just do it with you. Wow, when I first got started, I was terrified of the phone. Then I found a mentor that gave me his exact strategies and scripts to recruit quality leaders. Look at this. Check this out. This is exactly what is on the capture page. I'm not reinventing the wheel. There's no need to. And the message to market, the message when they see this post and if they reach out to you and they're interested, you want the capture page or the offer to look exactly like what got them to click in the first place, right? So how to recruit quality leaders into your MLM business, even if you're just getting started. And I found a mentor that gave me his exact strategies and scripts to recruit quality leaders. Now for the first time ever, I can't wait to get on the phone with my prospects and change their lives. And now what? The call to action. It's the exact same type of approach that we've done in previous steps together. I just got access to an incredible 40-minute training webinar with a 7-figure networker who reveals how to recruit leaders into any MLM business. If you're interested in this free training, send me a DM, direct message, or toss a yes, give it to me below. Again, right here, right? I've got 40-minute training webinar I can give you right here. This is what you're giving away, immediate access to a 40-minute webinar. with a 7-figure networker who reveals how to recruit leaders into any MLM business, how to recruit quality leaders into your MLM business. Actually, I'll add this, even if you're brand new. If you're interested in this free training, send me a DM, direct message, or toss a yes, give it to me below. So this step is about getting your voice out in the message, your voice, starting to cultivate your voice in the marketplace, and just sharing, getting comfortable with sharing a little bit about your vibe, your story out there on Facebook and out there with potential prospects and your connections and your audience on Facebook. And again, just a quick reminder, back over on the lead gen campaign page, you just click on this paperclip for when people direct message you or when they comment below. This is the link you're going to give them so that you can give them exactly what you promised. And one more reminder is when you're in Facebook, just make sure that you keep your eye on this message request because you will get them, as well as over here, the new message requests from people who are hitting you up and doing exactly what you said, direct messaging you for that free training. This is such a powerful step in getting them to reach out to you and you becoming the expert and authority and the leader because you got access to this information, something they want, and you can give that to them. Start the conversation, see if you can help them, see if they're open to an opportunity, product, service, and see if you can fill a need, fill a void, i.e. help them by getting them involved in your products, service, opportunity. And one more quick reminder, I love the emojis. Play around with those if you like. If not, it's totally cool too. This has got to be more you and you and you as you get going, okay? And I love GIFs or GIFs, however you want to say it. And in my example earlier, we liked kittens, puppies, and babies, some of the most liked and shared things on the internet. You can choose whatever you like, but I'm going to go ahead and put excited cats just for fun. I like this one, this cat. Silly, right? I mean, kind of eye-catching. I mean, having a GIF or a GIF will absolutely help capture the attention of people as they scroll through their newsfeed and help engagement, help getting eyeballs to your post, which ultimately you wanting them, if this resonates with them and they're interested in getting this training, they reach out to you with a direct message or they toss a yes, give it to me below, and you connect with that individual, start the conversation, give them the training, follow up, build a relationship, and boom, we're on our way. Delivering value, solving problems, giving your target market what they actually want instead of dropping spammy opportunity links on Facebook and saying my product's better than yours. You're actually putting your agenda aside for a moment and giving them what they want, which by doing that actually gets you what you want, which is customers, business builders, sales, profits, cash flow, and the dream business. So there you have it. Create a little bit of a story in your post around you and your voice and your message. Do not spend a ton of time on this. It's just before X, then I found X, now my life is X. You can pause this video and take note of what I wrote here, modify it with your story, your voice, of course, and then absolutely you gotta have this call to action with whatever lead gen campaign you're giving away and featuring. I mean, you can even put a PS right here, right at the, because this is the big thing, right? We want to get that call to action. We want to get them to reach out. So I'd even put a little emoji right there, a little customized action going on. And that's it, my friend. You are getting better and better. You now know how to customize the done-for-you lead generation campaigns inside of My Lead System Pro to help you get leads for your business in the next 24 hours. You're doing awesome. You are doing amazing. Make sure to complete your top earner action items below. And once you are complete, I'm waiting for you on the next training video.
Okay, so if you scroll down here from the video training here, which is step number 7 in the quick start guide, you'll come down here. It'll help take you right over to the Facebook page if you want to access your campaigns. And so what we have here is in the back office. I'll show you some of the campaigns that you have access today. The 5-day challenge, Get Prospects on LinkedIn. That's actually a really cool one, a new one that a lot of people are using and utilizing very, very well. Depending on your market and what you're liking to do and who you are, this will be a great one. The Go for Yes challenge, posting for profits. This is actually a very pivotal one, I think, for a lot of people, especially using on Facebook. It talks about the 3 different ways that you can actually, the 3 types of posts to put on Facebook so that you can get people coming to you. Simple list leverage. You have to have a list. This is amazing. There's CBD oil, credit repair, crypto, essential oils, Forex, health and wellness, different ways to lose weight, make money from home. There's tons of stuff in here. This stuff here, these are different ones that you can use. I will pull up the other, that was the generic websites. So here's another one. It's called the My Lead System Pro Profit Campaigns, where you actually get the profit. You get 100% of the profit of the course itself, minus a tiny merchant transaction fee. So you can come down here and you can do productivity secrets for $9, traction marketing bundle. These are great for little upsells as well, especially if you're using the membership site. Facebook ads made easy. I would highly suggest purchase one of these yourself. Take notes and go through it, and then talk about stuff inside of it. And we'll talk about funnels and stuff like that at another time. But anyway, you can do some of those there. There's a ton more. Use the My Lead System Pro lead generation campaigns. Use those for your benefit. Go ahead and if you want to get those right now, you can grab the $1 trial. The link is in the comments below. And we will see you on the next training video. Talk to you later. Bye.